Obamacare was lousy health care, always was. It's not very good today. And what I said, that if we come up with something, and we are working on things, we're going to do it and we're going to replace it.
A new Supreme Court case could provide President-elect Donald Trump with an opportunity to dismantle Obamacare's preventative care mandates. The court will hear arguments in the case known as Braidwood versus Becerra, which challenges the role of the U.S. Preventative Services Task Force in determining ACA insurance coverage rules. Legal experts believe a ruling against the task force might limit access to free services like cancer screenings and HIV prevention medications. The Biden administration is appealing a lower court ruling that found the task force's structure unconstitutional as it was not directly appointed by the president. While the case originally centered on religious exemptions, the Supreme Court will focus on the constitutionality of the task force itself.
I inherited Obamacare, so I had a big decision to make. Do I make it as good as we can make it, or do I let it rot? And a lot of political people said, let it rot and let it be a failure. I said, that's not the right thing to do. And I had very good people in the medical area that handled that. And I said, what do you want to do? He said, we really have an obligation to make it as good as we can. And we did.
The decision upholding the lower court could open the door for the Trump administration to challenge other aspects of Obamacare without congressional action. This case raises important questions about the delegation of authority to unelected panels in determining health care coverage. The court is expected to hear full arguments later this spring.